What's the meaning of black light? Black light. Black light.
Black light. Black light. Black light refers to a type of ultraviolet light that emits very little visible light and primarily illuminates UV-reactive substances. In other words, it's a type of light that can make certain things appear to glow in the dark. Black lights emit electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths between 320 to 400 nanometers, which is beyond the visible spectrum for humans. They are often used in entertainment settings, such as clubs and concerts, to create visually stunning effects with glowing paints or fabrics. However, they are also used in forensic investigations to detect bodily fluids or other evidence left at crime scenes that might not be visible under normal lighting.